we've made a compost lasagna to represent our bigger composting bins that the Stage 3 students have been doing. To make sure that it goes to good use, we're giving it to the worms and making sure they get all the nutrients and the food that they need.
Thank you, Mr. S, Skylar and Levi. Could I please ask S3R students Chantel, Ava, Jasmine and Afia to present their composting project?
Hello, my name is Afia.
And I'm Jazz.
And we are Composting Companion.
Us and our class for
Composting Captain, Miss Chatterton.
But we're telling you why you should compost.
Composting 2019, help the environment to protect our future.
Composting consists of 4 elements. These elements are carbon, nitrogen,
Air and water. Together, these 4 elements make composting harmony.
Now, it's expected that most of you should know what the elements air and water are.
But we will tell you what kinds of carbon and nitrogen we put in compost.
The carbon in composting is our brown material, which can be dried leaves, twigs, paper, hay, straw, or thin cardboard,
As well as coffee grounds and tea bags.
A great way to think of composting is to think of it as a delicious vegan lasagna. Wait. It is a delicious vegan lasagna for plants.
First, place your brown material and sprinkle over some water. Then do the same but with your green material and continue until you have enough. Then let it sit after giving it a stir for 3 to 4 weeks.
Next, the do's and don'ts of composting.
Compost any of the materials here. Of composting.
For example, S3R had made their compost to dry, so to simply fix it, we added water and did the same when it was too moist, but with our browns.
We hope that you too will help the environment to protect our future. Next, we have Ava and Chantal.
S3R has really enjoyed composting as we have learnt so many new things.
We have also been collecting scraps from the canteen and our classroom, reducing the amount of scraps going to landfill.
Once our compost is cooked, we will use it in our amazing garden.
This project has been really useful, and we are thinking of making our own composts at home.
Thank you.